Hello everybody, it's the Swedish Traveler here. How you doing? Just got off work, and so I'm recording this one. In this one, it's going to be another world news video, as it's going to be a regular thing on my channel. The first thing that I want to talk about is the thing that has happened at least in the north of Sweden, and when I'm recording this it might be going further south. It has been some snowstorms here in Sweden, at least as I said, here in the north, and some trucks has been going off-road, so to speak, and it's only been at least these couple of days that it has been settling down for a little bit, but it has been a lot of snow, so to speak. I wish I could show you, but it's too dark outside. But so that is happening. The second thing that I want to talk about is that Google is being sued. There's a company, video platform company in Canada, that are suing Google because they want to get started with the video platform, but since Google owns YouTube, they are at least the company called Rumble is accusing Google just to not they accuse Google of changing the algorithm, so Rumble doesn't so Rumble is low priority, so to speak. But we will see if something's going to happen with that. It might be just that Google will be like, whatever. But we will see about that. The third thing that I want to talk about, which has been all over the news, that Donald Trump is being impeached again. At least there were some discussions that Mike Pence would get him off the presidency, but he wouldn't use the 25th Amendment or something like that. So Donald Trump is getting impeached again. And there's also still discussions on how Donald Trump being silenced on Facebook and Twitter, how that affects free speech. And I must say that, well, even though Donald Trump says anything and everything, that's something some people might not like. You shouldn't be silenced for it, I suppose. So that's my opinion about it. The fourth thing that I want to talk about is that China is stalling to bring in scientists from outside of China to Wuhan, which is expected. Since China is China is China, so to speak. Of course they would stall, but it might be closed for outside people to get inside, to go to Wuhan and see what's going on. So hopefully they will get something out of it. The fifth thing that I want to talk about is a crime syndicate in Italy is going on trial. There is like 325 people doing like over 600 different crimes. It's going to be a huge freaking trial. So I must say that's interesting, because for some reason that Italy is almost famous for having organized crime, and that it might have changed now, but at least before, the government might have been corrupt as hell. But since this trial is happening, it might be a huge change. And speaking of Italy, the former prime minister slash president, Silvio Berlusconi, went to the hospital, but some sources say that he's fine, and I think he said he's fine, but hopefully he will recover. So I'm going to the next topic. I read an article about SAS, Special Air Service in the UK, is training to fight aliens. Yes, you heard that right. They are training to fight aliens. Training with the US to fight aliens. Well, what? I was like, dude, what the fuck? Really? Well, I don't really know what to say. So I'm going to the next topic. Siegfried from Siegfried and Roy, the famous magicians. Now it looks like I'm kind of blurry, but Siegfried from Siegfried and Roy. Roy died earlier from complications from COVID-19, and Siegfried died in his home. Rest in peace, homies. And the last topic that I want to talk about is about Ahmadreza Jalali, a Swedish Iran journalist who is accused and sentenced to death in Iran. The execution is being postponed for like a month. Some sources, a journalist being accused of being a spy. Journalists are supposed to be investigative, so it might happen that he might have found out something that Iran doesn't really want to release. So I'm guessing that's the thing that they're trying to silence him for. And if that's true, that's just fucked up, really. So yeah, it has been a lot of topics in this video. Comment below what you think. You can like and subscribe, and if you want to support my channel, you can buy some merch in the merch shop down below. Otherwise, peace.